Hello and welcome to this Premiere Elements video tutorial. Here I'll be showing you how to organise and edit your HD video footage that you've shot with your digital SLR. First thing you'll need is a copy of Premiere Elements 8, and you can download a 30-day trial version from the Adobe website. Once you're there, just click the Downloads and Download Trial Versions link at the top of the screen. Then you'll be taken to the Adobe Download section. There you'll find a drop-down menu where you'll be able to locate Adobe Premiere Elements 8 for Mac and for PC. So once you've installed the application and it's all ready to go, once done, start up Adobe Premiere Elements 8, and the first thing you need to do is just click New Project. As soon as you do that, you'll see this new project window appear, and you need to give your project a name. Now for this tutorial I'm going to use some footage that I shot in the Arctic. If you're following this tutorial, then you'll need to use some footage that you've shot on your own DSLR. So I'm going to call this Arctic Adventure. Once done, we need to find a location to save our files in. Adobe will automatically place that into the Premiere Elements 8 folder, and for most use it's fine just to leave it there. If you've got a large external hard drive, then it's well worth saving that down into your hard drive or external hard drive instead. Now before we click OK and start our project, we need to change the project settings. So just click Change Project Settings, and what we need to do is change the available presets into presets that match our camera. So first of all, because we're in the UK, we're going to use PAL. Then from the drop-down list, we're going to choose hard disk flash memory camcorder, and although it says camcorder, that also applies to digital SLRs. And then we need to choose the type of HD footage that we've shot. Now most of the new DSLRs will shoot at full HD, which is 1920 by 1080. So I'm going to select the first option there, which is HD 1080i at 25 frames per second. And if we just look at the video settings here, we have frame size 1920 by 1080 at 25 frames per second, and that near enough matches the camera that I was using to shoot this footage. So once we're happy with the setup and the presets, just click OK, then OK again, and Premiere Elements will load up the workspace. So this is the main workspace when you open up Premiere Elements, and as with using Photoshop elements, the first thing we need to do is just to get the media. So get all of those HD video files from your camera and onto your PC. Now there's two ways to do that. You can either connect your camera through USB, or you can take the card out of your camera and just use a memory card reader to transfer the files. In this case I've got a memory card reader. I've already plugged that in. If you're using Windows, it might pop up with the auto command window, in which case just click cancel and go back to Premiere Elements. Now in the Organize tab, just click Get Media, and because we're getting us off a memory card, we want to select AVC HD or other hard disk memory camcorder. If we just click that, that'll open up the Adobe Premiere Elements Media Downloader, and it looks very similar to the Adobe Photo Downloader that we would use with Photoshop Elements. So under Source, Get Media From, we're just going to select our flash memory card. Under Location, I'm going to get that to save down to my Videos folder. I'm going to make Adobe Premiere Elements organize the folder automatically. I'm going to do that by year, month, and then date. I'm not going to rename the files, and once I've done that, all I need to do is click Get Media, and that will start to download all of the files from my flash memory card down to the computer. So I'll leave you there to download your own HD video files from your DSLR or from your card, and I'll join you in the next part where we'll take a look at how to organise those files ready for editing in Premiere Elements.